Meet Marcus. He's a sixth grader who just got his first algebra worksheet, and he's staring at it like it's written in an alien language. There are X's and Y's and numbers all mixed together, and he has no idea where to start. Sound familiar? Don't worry. By the end of this video, Marcus and you will be simplifying expressions like total pros. Let's go. So Marcus looks at his worksheet and sees a bunch of terms all jumbled together. But here's the secret. Like terms are terms that have the exact same variable raised to the same power. Think of it like sorting your backpack. Pencils go with pencils. Notebooks go with notebooks. You wouldn't mix your lunch with your textbooks. In math, X terms go with X terms, Y terms go with Y terms, and plain numbers, called constants, go with other plain numbers. Let's look at some examples so Marcus can start sorting his terms. 3x and 7x. Same variable, x. Those are like terms. Check mark. 5y and 9y. Both have y. Like terms. Check mark. But 4x and 4y. Wait, one has x and the other has y. Those are not like terms, even though the numbers in front are the same. And plain old numbers like 6 and 11, they're constants. And constants are always like terms with each other. Now Marcus is ready to actually combine terms. Here's the four-step process. Step 1, spot your like terms. Step 2, group them together. Step 3, add or subtract the coefficients. That's just the number in front of the variable. And step 4, keep the variable exactly the same. Check this out. 3x plus 5x. We add the coefficients. 3 plus 5 equals 8. The x stays the same. So 3x plus 5x equals 8x. That's it. You're doing algebra. Here's something Marcus almost got wrong, and it's a super common mistake. 3x plus 5y, can we combine those? Nope, they have different variables. The expression just stays as 3x plus 5y. What about 4x squared plus 4x? The exponents are different. One is x squared, and one is just x. So those are not like terms either. The expression stays as is. Always double check. Same variable and same exponent before you combine anything. Marcus finds his first problem, 5x plus 2x. Let's solve it together. We look at 5x and 2x. Both have the variable x. So yes, these are like terms. Now we add the coefficients. 5 plus 2 equals 7. We keep the variable x unchanged. So 5x plus 2x equals 7x. That's Marcus's first algebra win right there. Notice that x by itself means there's an invisible 1 in front. Good to remember for later. Now Marcus's worksheet gets a little trickier. 4x plus 3y plus 2x plus 5y. Don't panic, we just sort like a pro. First, let's find the x terms. 4x and 2x. We add those. 4 plus 2 equals 6, so that gives us 6x. Next, find the y terms. 3y and 5y. 3 plus 5 equals 8, so that gives us 8y. Put them together. 4x plus 3y plus 2x plus 5y simplifies to 6x plus 8y. Marcus is sorting like a champion. Marcus finds a problem with constants, plain numbers mixed in. 2x plus 7 plus 5x plus 3. Let's sort everything out. First, the x terms, 2x and 5x. 2 plus 5 equals 7, giving us 7x. Now Marcus hits a problem with subtraction. 9x minus 4x plus 6. No sweat, we handle this the same way. Find the x terms, 9x and negative 4x. The sign travels with the term, so we keep that minus sign. 9 minus 4 equals 5, giving us 5x. The constant 6 has nothing to combine with, so it stays. Final answer, 9x minus 4x plus 6 simplifies to 5x plus 6. Marcus just nailed subtraction in algebra. That's huge. This is the big one, the last problem on Marcus's worksheet. 3x plus 2y minus x plus 8 minus 4y plus 1. Let's sort carefully. The x terms, 3x and negative 1x. Remember, that lone x at the end means negative 1x. 3 minus 1 equals 2, giving us 2x. the y terms, 2y and negative 4y. 2 minus 4 equals negative 2, giving us negative 2y. The constants, 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Final answer, 2x minus 2y plus 9. Marcus just finished his worksheet.
Before Marcus celebrates too hard, let's review the most common mistakes students make. First, never combine different variables. 3x plus 2y does not equal 5xy. Second, the sign in front of a term travels with it. If you see minus 4y, that negative belongs to the 4y. Third, a lone variable like x is the same as 1x, not 0. And fourth, always check that the exponents match. X squared and x are different terms, even though they both have x. Dodge these traps and you're golden. Here's a pro trick Marcus started using on every problem: color coding. When you see an expression, grab different colored pencils or just underline mentally. Underline all x terms in blue, all y terms in orange, and put a box around constants in green. Then you just combine by color: blue with blue, orange with orange, green with green. This turns a confusing jumble into a perfectly organized sorting game. Parents, this is a great hands-on strategy to try at home with your kids. Remember when Marcus was staring at that worksheet totally lost? Look at him now. He just solved a 5-term expression with 3 types of like terms. Here's everything you've mastered today. Like terms share the same variable and the same exponent. You add or subtract just the coefficients, and the variable stays exactly the same. Constants combine with other constants. Use color coding when you feel stuck. You've got all the tools. Now go rock your next algebra assignment, because you are absolutely a like term.